data lovers. Hello data lovers, or if I may say hello data slaves. Because today I'm gonna bring up a topic that is of concern to humanity, especially with respect to AI. And it's very concerning, not in terms of like AI or robots coming and wiping us off Earth, although this is something we deserve and we might even enjoy as a weird fetish. I don't know. No, it's very subtle. It's very subtle, and it will happen very seamlessly, and it will be hitting the smartest of us, believe it or not. Yep. So if I may rephrase it, by smartest I meant maybe people with maybe with the biggest egos, like people who seek fame, who seek recognition, and it's especially targeting people who have been using, or in a way enslaving, these AI tools in order to impress others and in order to gain like a big fan base, or in order to, get out there. And this is especially now coming up, surfacing when like AI tools are becoming accessible to the massive public. Like before, it was so hard to set up a GPU, set up the CUDA drivers, to set up the libraries to code with Python and all of this stuff. But now we have tools that are becoming that are so easy to use, like with just the keyboard, with just a few words, a few mumbles, you could create art, you could create poetry, you could have anything at your fingertips. And this is like Twitter. I'm gonna show you how like GPT-3 for the first time is on trending. Okay, GPT-3 is trending. That's crazy. OpenAI as well. I don't know if it's the new Twitter that's kind of knows me a little bit more and trying to recommend trends with respect to my network, but I've never seen anything like this before. Anyway, so GPT-3 and OpenAI are kind of correlated, because OpenAI made GPT-3. But of course, for people interested, GPT-3 is a language generating model, and you can now, I believe you could access it from openai.com. I think you might need to pay for the account, because at the beginning I used to get like a free account, but now that it's open to public, you might need to pay, which is what I'm doing also, because my free account has expired. So I'm gonna show you something and see it for the first time for myself, and see the new GPT. So when you go into the model, you just choose, this is like the best model. This is like they're claiming it's the one that does poetry, that rhymes, and I have tried several other models with the poetry and they didn't rhyme, so I know how much of an improvement that is. So I thought, since we're at it, how about I just generate a poem by AI for fellow YouTubers, about YouTube creators. How about that? Because we wanted to understand what we're talking about. So let's see. And this is gonna be of length 256. Let's give it a little bit more, even though this is the most expensive model, right? So I think it's about 2 cents per 1,000 characters, maybe. Let's run this. So every time it would generate YouTube creators, what can I say? You put on a show every single day, from beauty to comedy, drama, and tech. You give us reason to stay in our VEC. What is VEC? Oh wow, it's the poet has the right to words that nobody has right to, just like the artist. You entertain us and make us laugh. It's like you're the life of a party having a blast. That doesn't rhyme. You share your passion and show us the way to have fun and live life to the fullest each day. Thank you. We appreciate all that you do. Bring us smiles, laughter, and joy too. You are the ones who light up our screens and make us feel like we're part of the team. So thank you, YouTube creators, for all that you do now and later. Well, wow, they tried, huh? Creators later. See you later, alligator. Okay. Following is, how about a sonnet? Or no. Yeah, let's try a sonnet. Or a haiku. Haiku's easier though, because it doesn't have to rhyme. But, yeah. Let's try haiku, and then I'm gonna drop this to smaller length, just in case it just... Okay. Okay, let's see. Videos made with care, a world of content for all, YouTube creators rule. Videos made with care, a world of content for all. 7, good. YouTube creators rule. 6? Shouldn't it be 5, 7, 5? Okay, GPT 3.5, not so good at haiku. Let's try sonnet. Can we try this? Though some may scoff at YouTube creators, their craft is more than clickbait features. Oh, this is amazing. Their craft is more than clickbait features. It takes a lot of skill to be a teacher and offer viewers unique experiences. I mean, the content is really deep, but there's no rhyming. The hard work and dedication to the craft is what makes the content so enjoyable. The hours spent crafting and editing the draft are what make the videos so relatable. Nice, okay. The talent to be entertaining, witty, and to offer knowledge that is unique is what makes the creator so popular. See how millions of views their craft can seek. Like this, I like this a lot. Though it may be seen as not a real job, the work it takes to create these shows is what makes... Okay, whatever. Okay, although I'm very excited about this, I'm celebrating it, and you know how impressive this is. There's a however, there's a big however, and it's about how I believe, and I just tweeted about it just now. Let me see. Every human will eventually and seamlessly become enslaved by AI, starting with those seeking fame the most through tools that mimic human creativity and robbing it of its users, robbing creativity of its users. Take GPT-3 for example, and its ability to poetize on our behalf. Yep. What do you think? Comment below. Now, the last experiment that will be featured now is we're gonna ask this super smart GPT-3 to, how about if it were the art director, if it were the one telling the other AI what to draw, what to paint, so we don't even have to think of what the theme is gonna be. It's gonna be just plugging an AI, talking to another AI, and we will be just watching everything happen. At worst, we will just claim that we did this. Okay, so let's get at it. So let's say following is a prompt to generate amazing art. Okay, can we try this? Submit. Oh, that captures the feeling of hope in a moment of despair. Okay. Okay, that's pretty tricky, huh? That's very deep. Maybe we should add like concept art to this, because then we could guide the model better. So I'm gonna go to my, this is the easiest. I usually use Stable Diffusion, but then this is exceptionally super easy. Okay, so now I just typed in what GPT-3 told me, and now I'm gonna use that to generate art. Okay, let's see. I can't believe where we have come. Oh my god. High hose rose. Piece of art that captures the feeling of hope in a moment of despair. And this looks more like despair in a moment of hope. Moment of hope. That's not easy, huh? That's not easy. Can I add concept art? Just that way it would look at everything it has trained on concept art and maybe come up with something smarter. Or I could keep clicking it, and every time it would fall on a random seed and it would generate something new. Oh wow, okay, now we're talking. See? This is more like conceptual, but does it mean anything? There's no hope in here at all. If we were to rate these in terms of despair and hope, which are two contradicting things, we would be fully on despair, except maybe for this one, because like I would imagine this being like the light at the end of the tunnel, you know. I mean, if I were to paint it, which I could do, and this is why I'm kind of bearish on AI art, even though I was one of its first. Never mind. Okay. So so you need me. You need humans to come up to guide this AI. This is still very foolish. Okay, let's try. Following is to generate amazing AI art. Okay, let's try that. Maybe. Okay. Power of nature. Following is a descriptive prompt to generate amazing AI art. Let's try that. Okay, last one, I promise. Complexity and beauty of the night sky. The artwork should feature variety of color. Okay, this is not how these models work, but that's fine, we can try it. Depict a clear night sky with twinkling stars, glowing moon, and other celestial bodies. Okay. Oh yeah, let's start from here, and we'll see what this gives. I don't think this is the best way to. So GPT-3 has not been trained on prompts yet, so it doesn't understand what's a prompt. Oh, I see stars here, I see night sky here, I see. Yeah, it's not complete. I'm sorry, but I'm not buying this. I'm happier with the poetry stuff, but not so much with that. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed this, and go ahead, be creative, become bored, try things without AI. Imagine we don't have this technology. This is my advice to you. See you next time.